Hi everyone, I'm JP here from ZKTeco South Africa. Today, I just want to inform you about our new AMD 1800 Pro walkthrough metal detector. What is a walkthrough metal detector? Is when you walk through, detecting any metals or foreign objects that can cause harm to others. The nice thing about our walkthrough metal detector, it features a semi-outdoor and it has auto environment learning function, meaning if you move the device to a new environment, it will auto detect the new environment, learn it, and just go on from there. Our walkthrough metal detector features an 18 zone. The 18 zone gets covered in sections, meaning it will go from one side to the other side, all in 6 zones. So usually a zone is the pickup place that is set for amount of distance. So the bigger the zones, the smaller the part gets, and the less the zones, the bigger the part gets, giving you a higher possibility of missing an object where it needs to be scanned. So usually when you're using a walkthrough metal detector, you would use a handheld scanner just to see which area or what it was detecting. Was it detecting only a belt buckle or a watch? So if you have a 33 or 18 zone, the area gets smaller, giving you a more direct approach to scan with a handheld scanner just to detect where everything is located. In terms of power, our new AMD 1800 Pro has an option of both sides getting power, so you're not limited of installing it just on the one side. It has two-sided power connector, so you can decide on which side is going to work the best for your site. The power supply that it uses is a 15 volt. Also, our triggering system works by using these 4 sensors on the inside. So as soon as it picks you up, it will only start detecting, and as soon as you leave on the other side, it will stop the detection. Our walkthrough metal detector also has the capability to trigger your relays. So what that means is you can set it to sound an alarm if metals are detected, or to trigger a turnstile or a tripod turnstile, just to trigger it if there's no metals detected. So you have a decision between 2 options of the relay when it detects metal or does not detect any metals. It also has an Ethernet connection where you can link it to our ZKTeco SIS software or our third-party walkthrough metal detector software that is a local-based software. So we have a few functions that we can do. The password you can get in the user manual depending on what range you have. This one is just 10,000. Entering the password. So now you will see there's a bunch of options that we can have. So option 1 is called sensitivity. How sensitive do you want your zones to be set up? Playing with this, you can set it to just pick up high density metals or just picking up any metals depending on what your site requirement is at. Overall in zone is just, if you're a lazy guy, just go through the overall, or if you need to be more site specific, maybe not detecting any shoes that are still points, you can set it manually just by going to that area at the bottom, just eliminating the sensitivity on that area as well. Nextly, we have a channel function. So channel function is a frequency. So if you're getting a lot of interference and the auto learning that not eliminate that, you can go and do it manually. So on the AMD 1800 Pro, there is 40 different channels. So the channels that we're talking about runs from 5.62 megahertz to 12.62 megahertz. Then we also have the option to set the buzzer. So should it buzz to notify our security close by, or should it just flicker? Then we can also adjust the time and date manually, and we can set the sensitivity range. So sensitivity range, you get 3 options. It's low, medium and high, meaning you can set it doesn't need to detect a person from the get-go, or once it's only through. After the guy is through, it will only sound an alarm, or while he's still in the walkthrough metal detector to sound the alarm. Going on to the next one, application. So application is where you are installing this. Is this at the airport? Is it at the government building? Is it just at your local workplace? There is a bunch of functions, at least 10 of them, and there is a custom function where you can set it to your desired requirements. Then we have storage. Storage is the counter that the screen displays that shows you how many alarms that it triggered for the amount of entries or exit that was detected. Then we can also change the password and then the relay. Then finally, we can restore the walkthrough metal detector to its default values by just going to the restore function and just selecting OK. And lastly, we have the about function where all your firmware from the device and serial number is also located. This is the end of our AMD 1800 Pro. I hope you enjoyed it with me as much as I enjoyed it with you. If you need any information regarding this product, just follow the link below and please let us know whatever your requirements is. I'm sure ZKTeco can assist.